An upcoming female dancehall artist gets a Shenseea tattoo. Stick around for the breakdown. Full story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Big up everybody out there. Hope everybody is fine and in the best of health and being very productive. So we are talking about Shenseea today. To me, it seems like Shenseea have the most artistic fans, and artistic in the sense that I always see Shenseea post portraits of her where her fans them draw or paint, right? Like every once in a while, you know what I mean? More than the other artists them, cause Mrs. Spice posts where people paint off her, but that was like last year. I'm not see no more, right? And we'll see other artists. I can't remember none right away. But Shenseea, it's a constant thing with Shenseea, right? She always a post like pictures of her where people paint or draw. So she got a gift from one of her Shenyengs, and it's a painting. So let's take a look at this painting that she got.
Yeah?
Which present is that?
Go on unwrap it now. Bad. Wow. Wow, this is big and beautiful. Whoa, yeah, the color sick.
Sending it to someone?
No, I got this as a gift.
Who gave it to you?
One of my Shenyings.
Oh, your fans?
The color is sick. It's big.
So we can tell so that's done by a professional, right? It look good, it look like Shenseea, and it's well framed and even packaged, even the way it wrap up, you know what I mean? That look like somebody where that them trade or that them do for a living. You see what I say? Sell painting or whatever. I don't know, but I like it still. You see what I say? So big up Shenseea fan them, the Shenyeng them who can paint and draw. You see me I say, big up everybody who can paint and draw. That's a very, very valuable skill to have, you know what I mean? Me can't really draw nothing but stick figure like that. So, you know what I mean? Ma for go no props. Big up. Alright, so let's talk about this female artist. Now I see this go around the net, right? Also, Shenseea shared on her story, but I did some see it first. You see me? So this female artist got a tattoo of Shenseea. Now this is not a Jamaican. Let me get that out of the way. Since now you might have wonder and say, I wish Jamaican do this. This is not a Jamaican. It seems like she's based in Bahamas, but however me I go off of what me see on her Instagram page, right? She have some flag. She have the Jamaica flag. She have one will look like, I want to say Lebanon, and then she have the Bahamas flag. But you know what I mean, she's very inclined with this dancehall reggae music, and you know them video what me I play right now, she have sing the Dexter Dap song, the new one there, but she would like to be free. You know that one there, right? So we're gonna take a look at the tattoo and then we're gonna talk about it a little bit. Seeing? So here goes a clip of the tattoo.
Every girl they want me, I be a hot girl, me say, yeah. Style, yeah, the style when me bring it. Be careful of me life and me with them every day.
So yes, people, her name is Lico Davi, and that's her song you hear her play too, right? I find the clip like this, so I just leave it like this. You see what I say? So yeah, I mean, a whole heap of Shenyeng fans me see get tattoo, but me never see somebody where actually do music, you know what I mean, get one. But like me say, probably as Jamaican we see it different, and with, you know what I mean, because Jamaican kind of have that little ego thing about them, so maybe a artist, and maybe I'm wrong, I'm just saying, you know, people, but maybe I'm wrong, but you know what I mean, it's just surprising that an artist would get a Shenseea tattoo, but at the same time it's cool. So, and I like me I try for disrespect her or say nothing towards she getting a tattoo. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm just saying, you know what I mean? She's the first. So if we see this become a trend where artists start tattoo other artists, name upon them, because, you know, they're just a fun. So, you know, if we see that start go, we know where it starts. So, big her up for that. So I say big up Shenseea. Now let's talk about what the Star published yesterday, right? So it's about Ramesh and Shenseea again. And this is ages old story. And I mean the same question of everybody asking if they are together. So Ramesh addressed that and Ramesh said, boy, it just straight. I just friendship. He might just our manager and he might go forever close with her. You see what I mean? I say. So the headline say, strictly platonic. Ramesh adamant that he only wants to protect Shenseea. So the boss I say I protect him, I protect Shenseea. That's why when you see him I move. So scene. Alright, so in the caption it says, in a recent interview with the Weekend Star, Ramesh said he considered it a compliment when persons make romantic links between the two. Still, he maintains the two are not intimately involved and said that having built Shensea's career from the ground up, he will always have a closer relationship with the good comfort singer than other artists on his team. And this is understandable from my point, right? I don't know about Uno. Now go tell me what you feel in the comment section about Ramesh and Shenseea. But as far as me, I can see what Ramesh say. I'm an investment and I'm going to protect him investment. You see me? And then being that she's a female on the team, you know, I mean, as artists, cause you know, you have a female worker. We don't know the relationship between him and them as much as we know with him and his artist, so we can't speak for that. But you know, it always gonna look like that because people have chemistry and people get along and whatever. But Iman say Iman protect him investment basically, right? So big up Ramesh, big up Shenseea. Wanna get in the comment section and tell me what you think about what he said. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about Stalk Ashley. If there's any Stalk Ashley fans here, I want to big up on herself. I am a fan of Stalk Ashley. She well lyrical. You see what I say? For the people that want to know Stalk Ashley, you know what I mean? You have to check her out. She bad. You see me? So she's talking about an album. Last night she was on her live, you know what I mean, just chopping it up with the fans, and I tell them say she want to drop an album. Even Shenseea passed through one night time. So I have clippings from the live when I go show no, so you can hear what Stalk Ashley has say. Alright, so here goes.
Hey Shenseea, what's up? What's good? Like, what you up to? What you doing? So I want to talk a little bit more about the stuff that I will be dropping soon. As I said earlier, I'm working on the album. I still it's closer to where I want it, but it's not finished. That's the truth. But I'm still working on it. And I'm getting more into with this time that I have. I'm getting into production. I have a lot of post-production to do. I'm getting into production and just working on my songs. It feels really great to have a lot of things coming out that I'm really excited about. I'm trying not to overdrop. So I'm working on just giving you the content that you guys deserve. Wells, big up yourself. Yeah, you just texted me. It is me. Why people still feel like the line not real? Yes, I most definitely just working on stuff. I want to drop some content really soon for you guys. I'm really excited about it. I'm just, yeah.
Yes, so that's the wonderful Stalk Ashley, right? So we are anticipating our album, you know, me I gonna listen to it because me I tell you, me like her music. You see me? She have that different flavor there and she lyrical as a female artist. You know, no female always like sing about one set of things. She well versatile, right across the board. She can use different situation. And this is just my opinion of her. You may have a different one, right? But me like her music. So that brings us to the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe and join the family. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. And for my long-time subscribers, thank you for watching and thank you for keeping on, right? So everybody have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thanks for watching.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.